Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 8, leçon C. And in this lesson we'll work on le poisson, so it will be a vocabulary lesson. Okay, so let's start now. Le thon, la dorade, la morue, le saumon, le bar. Let's repeat them. Le thon. Remember, H here is not pronounced. Le thon. La dorade. La morue. Final E not pronounced. Le saumon. O-N, remember, nasal in your nose. Saumon. Le bar. Le merlan. La raie. La sardine. L'aigle fin, la limande sole. Okay, so le merlan, la raie, final E not pronounced. La sardine, you don't insist on the final E, it only gives you the N pronunciation. Sardine. L'aigle fin, la limande sole. La sole. L'espadon, la truite, le maquereau, la lotte, la sole, same thing, don't insist on the final E, okay, it only gives you the L sound, sol, l'espadon, O-N in your nose, nasal, on, espadon, la truite, same thing here, final E not pronounced, t, la truite, le maquereau. So technically this k, just pronounce it k, maquereau, maquereau. Alright? And then E-A-U, remember when you combine these three vowels, you get the sound O, maquereau. Okay? And then la lotte, final E not pronounced, lotte, lotte. Okay? La lotte. Alright? So that's it. You've got many words now if you want to talk about fish. Les poissons. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier and then imagier.net, the website if you want more material. Have a great day. Bye bye.